Today I'm going to show you how to authorize your Mac for Apple TV. This is a quick and easy process that lets you access your purchased content and stream your favorite shows. First, make sure you have the Apple TV app installed on your Mac if you're running Mac OS Catalina or later. It should be pre-installed. Go ahead and open the Apple TV app from your application folder or from the dock. Once the app is open, make sure you're signed in with the Apple ID. Click on the account option in the menu bar at the top, then select sign in if you haven't done so already. Now to authorize your Mac, go back to the account menu. Select authorization, then click on authorize this computer. You may need to enter your Apple ID password. This ensures that your Mac is linked to your Apple ID and can access all your purchased content. After entering your password, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Mac has been authorized and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully authorized your Mac for Apple TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.